Alright, and I'm back with a banger. Well, can't even say banger. You know how the YouTube be saying bangers? I can't say banger because I can't. This is my first YouTube. But we unboxing this 19mm Cuban link. Green stones. It's hard to fucking open. I'm excited to see it, people. This video real short. I don't want to make it long. Yeah, we're unboxing. I open the package. I open this other one. The 19mm big one shit. And I'm gonna do a quick little story time. I had bought this 365. I always wanted a 365 chain. You know it's my brand. I bought this from fucking Master Bling. Fuck Master Bling, because as soon as I opened it, the shit broke. Don't buy cheap shit. So I bought something else. Fuck Master Bling. Y'all tell them I said it, but it bullshit ass. So first I'm open. Ooh. Oh my god. First I'm open I'm open first. It's so nice. That's so nice. So I bought another. I'm bullshit ass. So it was. Look how that bling, like, look at that bling, look at that green. You ain't never seen this, you ain't got this, you could afford it, but you ain't got it. This the bracelet, this is an 8-inch bracelet, by the way. This is an 8-inch bracelet. I like this too, the quality of it is like amazing, like, this shit is bomb. You never seen it with this. Like, I'm the first with this on fucking YouTube, or anywhere else. So this is a bracelet, it's 8-inch. I recommend you get 8-inch, you don't get like a 7 or nothing. Get a 7, it might be tight because this is a little tight, but it's raw. Now I'm gonna unbox the necklace. The necklace is a 20, I should got 22, but the other necklace I bought is 22, so. And one reason why I got this is because I got a pendant, a 365 pendant, oh my gosh. This shit is kind of exciting. This is a 19M. I would like a 20, but this is a 19M. I ain't really gonna make that big because I want to pin it to fit it. But this is a 19M. Nobody got this. Nobody got this shit. Like nobody. But the only reason why I got this shit is 22. I like the color green though. Like this shit, I should have got this. But I wanted a different chain because yo, fuck you, Master Bling. I got my own fucking bling, bitch. Fuck Master Bling. I'm not shopping that anymore. I'm not shopping at that Target open, bitch. But I should have got a 22. I like that because I'm a big ass dude. But one time for the fucking culture, like, fuck this. This why I really bought it, like, for real. I should have bought a 22 though. But this why I actually bought it though, so to match this. But y'all, stay tuned. That's all I gotta say. This is my first video, so y'all stay tuned. The 365 TV. Shit, look how that shit look. We're gonna turn off the light, so I'm gonna give y'all the light. Like, see him with the green light. I love this shit. Let me tell y'all, like, it's like a fucking movie, bitch. You see the ZZs, the green ZZs. Get a close up. Look at that detail. I'm the only nigga that got this Cuban link in the world. The first nigga to rock it. The first nigga to have it. Do a thumbnail. Fuck Master Bling, bitch.